Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So first I want to say we have an amazing special guest today that started us out on the Express. My dear friend Shelli from Shelli Anderson Art. If you haven't seen her work, please go check out her channel. It'll be in my description. She's amazing. I just love her to pieces, and we're so happy to have you with us here today, Shelli. Next, you should have seen Sweet Wombat Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Now you're here with me, Creations by Christy. After me, you have Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And we usually have my sweet Hippy Dippy Painterman and maybe my lovely sis Cat, but they're taking a few weeks off to get feeling better. So we miss you guys. All right, so I'm just going to have a play. I'm not quite sure what I want to do yet, so I'm going to wing it and see what I can come up with. Meanwhile, I'm going to let you guys watch and just play some music.
I thought you didn't want to hang with me, just not your kind of thing. You'd rather sit under your favorite tree. That's how it seemed to me, but I dared you and I dared to lose. together. Oh, tell me why you couldn't even try to meet me halfway. I gave you all I had, but it didn't seem to be enough. You got yourself someone new who's not for you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You love me, no forgiving, no forgetting, but I keep missing you. Oh, ever since the day you called it off, I thought things over. And what I didn't know then, I know now, so go yourself. Ow, ow. I would really like to see you try to win me over. If this is making me confused, it must have really, really messed me up. You got yourself someone new who's not for you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You love me, no forgiving, no forgetting, but I keep missing you. I can't let go. I can't get you out of my head. Can you just try to come back? Because I keep missing you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you. You're not worth it, but I can help myself again and keep thinking of you.
I'm gonna leave well enough alone. Sometimes I like to go overboard on what I'm doing, so I think I'm just gonna call this good. I will be right back with a close-up. I hope you can see how pretty and shimmery this turned out. I really like it. Tell me what you guys think in the comments. I love to hear from you guys. Haven't done a bloom in a while, so for my first bloom in a while, I think it turned out really super pretty. Up next is Shannon Baxman with ShanB Fluid Art. After her, you have Sister Bubbles with Venom Fluid Art. And if you missed our amazing special guest, Shelli from Shelli Anderson Art, please go back and watch. And also the sweet wombat, Darren Nixon from Venom Fluid Art. Everybody here is amazing. I love you guys. I hope you have a great day or great night wherever you are. And I will see you guys on the next one. Love you guys. Bye.